In 2013, Typhoon Yolanda, one of the strongest tropical cyclones ever recorded, struck the Philippines, causing widespread devastation. Many houses were destroyed, leaving thousands of families homeless and in dire need of assistance. The storm not only damaged infrastructure but also claimed thousands of lives, making it a tragic event in the country's history. One of the things affected by the typhoon was the currency, with large amounts of money being ruined due to the storm's destruction. This is a short video presentation of a mother and a son whose money is ruined in the typhoon's aftermath. Entitled Lost Love. In the morning, the mother and her son decided to purchase food to satisfy their hunger.
Sampo. ₱5 lang po yan.
Duhat. Ang dalawa.
Dalawang pura. Tara po.
Pabili ko cake, dalawa, tsaka pizza.
Po, hindi po pwede to.
Ganun po ba? Ito na lang kasi natitirang pera sa akin kasi bumaka sa amin eh. Sira.
Pasensya na, hindi na po talaga pwede.
Po ako asahe ko.
Wala ma'am, hindi na pwede madawat sa gas station kay gisi-gisi na magod na. Po, hindi po yun matatanggap sa gas station, baka malulugi po ako.
Ito na lang kasi po natitira sa akin pera kasi bumaka sa amin.
Kaya hindi na talaga yan magagamit yung pera. Subukan mo lang magpalit sa bangko.
Dati po, gusto ko po sanang palitan ng pera ko kasi sira na.
Naiintindihan ko po ma'am, kaso may mga proseso po tayo na kailangan sundin. Medyo matatagalan po tayo kasi kailangan pa ipa-validate muna ng Central Bank bago mapalitan. May magandang balita. Inanunsyo ng Central Bank ang plano nila na papalitan lahat ng sirang pera. Aayusin po nila lahat ng mga bangko para mas mapabilis ang mga proseso.
The central bank has just announced an emergency program to replace all damaged and ruined currency across the country. Mobile exchange units will be sent to local markets and rural areas to make it easier for people to exchange their damaged bills. The central bank is encouraging the use of digital payment platforms to ease the burden on affected citizens.
Ma, ibig sabihin mapapalitan ng pera natin? Yes, may pera na tayo.
Next day at the market, the mother and the son saw a mobile unit from the central bank stationed near at the Sari-Sari store. Thanks to the emergency program of the central bank, the family was able to exchange their ruined